In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create content that feels genuinely human and engaging. Let's dive in and explore how to get the best out of this powerful tool by refining your writing style to make it more natural and personable. First, let's begin by opening ChatGPT. You'll want to head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your free account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's a straightforward process and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start crafting content that feels as if a human blogger wrote it. Now, to achieve a natural human tone in your writing, you'll want to provide ChatGPT with clear instructions. For instance, you might say, rewrite this text in a natural conversational style as if it was written by a human blogger. This request helps set the tone and expectation for ChatGPT, making sure that the resulting text flows smoothly without coming across as robotic or mechanical. To see this in action, consider a sentence like, "Artificial intelligence is transforming industries with automation and efficiency." By guiding ChatGPT to rewrite it, you'll notice a shift in tone that feels more approachable and relatable. Next up, let's delve into the power of storytelling to enhance authenticity. When you're explaining concepts, try framing them within a short personal story, which can make the content much more engaging and relatable. For instance, if you're discussing the benefits of remote work, you could prompt ChatGPT to write a scenario that sounds like a real-life experience, rather than a dry, formal article. This approach adds a layer of sincerity and relatable narrative to your text, drawing readers in as they follow the story you're telling. Another tip for humanizing your content is to add variety and embrace imperfections. Humans don't always speak in perfectly polished prose, and a few casual phrases here and there can add to the authenticity. Say you're working with a statement like, "Time management is the most important skill for productivity and success." Encourage ChatGPT to rewrite this paragraph with natural variations, incorporating shorter sentences and some casual expressions that make it less formal. This technique captures the diversity of human conversation, making your writing feel more genuine and spontaneous. Finally, it's essential to check the originality of your content. To do this, you can ask ChatGPT to help rephrase a paragraph so it feels fresh and unique, ensuring it passes plagiarism checks. It might be as simple as instructing the AI to keep the meaning the same while using new wording. This step ensures that your content retains its intended message while still feeling vibrant and original. As you practice these steps, you'll find yourself crafting content that sounds more like it's coming from a real human and less like a machine-generated script. Keep these tips in mind, and happy writing!